ViewTech Borescopes are joystick-controlled video cameras that can go inside hard-to-see places in machinery, tubes, and parts. Companies save time and money on maintenance and quality by using ViewTech Borescopes to identify problems through remote visual inspections. Call us today to ask about our Try Before You Buy demo program. Corrective maintenance is a maintenance type that is intended to restore operability to a system after a fault or issue emerges in that system. At this point, the machinery in question has a recognizable fault and may require teardown, overhaul, and will likely incur downtime. Since corrective maintenance is often a form of non-routine maintenance, the turnaround or estimated time until the repair is completed can be unpredictable. Preventative, predictive, and planned maintenance procedures are often in place to reduce the risk of necessary corrective maintenance. The best way to experience a ViewTech Borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.